Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to explain you about what is diode, its working, types and uses. In electrical and electronics this is a very important topic, so let's get started.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहा स्टडी पॉइंट को ताकि आप मेरे नए वीडियो सबसे पहले देख पाएं।
So, first of all I want to explain that what is diode. Here the main thing is a diode is defined as two terminal device that only conduct current in one direction. Okay, and so that is it's also called as unidirectional because an ideal diode will have a zero resistance in one direction and infinite resistance in the reverse direction. Okay, diode is effectively like I mean to say that diode is a effective valve you can say that in electrical circuit. Okay, this is the basic diagram of diode, and this is the waveform of diode. You can see that this and this. Okay, this is the half cycle of diode and this is the sinusoidal full cycle of diode. Basically diode have two point. First one is positive, that is known as anode, and second one is cathode, that is negative. After that I want to give some points of what is semiconductor, that is a type of diode. Okay, semiconductor diode are the most common types of diode. These diodes begin conducting electricity only if a certain threshold voltage is present in the forward direction. So first of all I want to explain that what is semiconductor. So semiconductor is a material which have a conductivity between conductors and non-conductors. Non-conductors means that is insulators. Okay, and it is a pure form. Okay, that is silicon and germanium. This is the some basic figure of semiconductor. As you see that this one and this one. Okay, this is the basic diagram of semiconductor. This is the also a very important type of diode. And now come to the point that what is biased. Basically there are two types of bias, that is forward bias and second one is reverse bias. So as you know that according to name that what is bias. So first one is forward bias and the second one is reverse bias. Okay, forward bias means a flow of current in a certain direction, means the direction is in positive direction. Okay, positive to negative, that is forward bias. And if the direction will be changed, that is in opposite direction, and that is to negative to positive, that is called reverse bias. And in reverse bias the resistance will high, and you say that in forward bias the resistance is low. Okay, and the connection of the circuit in the connection of the current means the flow of the current in the circuit which is in reverse, which is in opposite direction, that direction, and that called reverse direction, and it is also called reverse bias. So here you see that this one is reverse direction, that is this. And here the basic term is reverse voltage and second one is reverse breakdown voltage. So first of all I want to say that what is reverse breakdown voltage. So reverse breakdown voltage is nothing but when the voltage at which breakdown occurs is called breakdown voltage. ओके जहाँ पे वोल्टेज ब्रेक हो जाए उसको बोलते हैं ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज. एंड रिवर्स वोल्टेज इज नथिंग बट वोल्टेज ड्रॉप अक्रॉस द डायोड इफ द वोल्टेज एट द कैथोड इज मोर पॉजिटिव देन द वोल्टेज एट द एनोड. Okay, then this voltage is called reverse voltage. Okay, get it? So let's go आगे. Now come to that what is PN junction diode. It is also type of diode and this is the simplest form of the semiconductor diode, and this figure is the basic figure of PN junction diode. Okay, get it? And PN junction diode is a diode which is an ideal condition. This PN junction behave as a short circuit when it is in forward biased and an open circuit when it is in the reverse bias. Basically this perform like this only. Okay, and this is the basic diode of the diode in electrical and electronics system. Okay. Okay, come to the next slide, and now I will explain you that working principle of diode. Okay, first of all you see that the basic diagram of this working principle of diode is, in the previous lecture I told you about N region and P region and what is depletion region. If you don't know or if you don't watch it yet, then please go and watch. Link is in description or in the I button. Okay, in this video you see that here is a P region and N region. Okay, and the first point of it is the diode working principle depends on the interaction of N type and P type semiconductor. Okay, and the second point is N type semiconductor has plenty of free electrons and a very few number of holes. Means in N type semiconductor you know already that a number of electrons is more than number of holes, and in P type semiconductor number of holes is more than number of होल्स जो होते हैं वो ज़्यादा होते हैं नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के कंपैरिजन में. ओके, and here you in other words you generally know called that we can say that the concentration of free electrons is high and that of holes in an N type semiconductor. Okay, and in N type semiconductor majority charge carriers जो होते हैं वो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की वजह से होते हैं, जिसमें कि माइनॉरिटी जो होता है वो होल्स की वजह से होता है, और पी रीजन में जस्ट अपोजिट होते हैं. ओके, लेट्स कम टू another slide. So here I will discuss on in N type is about N type semiconductor and P type semiconductor. Okay, so here are some difference in between these, that I already told you that free electrons are more and holes are more than N type. Means in N type electrons are more than P type, and in P type electrons holes are more than the N type. Okay, because of electron majority of charge carrier is more, I already told you, and in this P type the number of holes due to holes P type majority charge carrier is high. Okay, and in N type due to holes it's referred as the minority charge carrier is referred as to because of holes. Okay, and in P type semiconductor minority carriers are because of electrons and majority because of holes. Okay, now come to forward and reverse bias. This is the most important thing in diode, forward bias and reverse bias. First of all I want to say about forward bias. Forward bias is nothing but the P side of the diode is attached to the positive terminal and N side is fixed to the negative side of the battery. Means इफ़ यू नो दिस फॉरवर्ड बायस, देन आपको पता होगा कि पी साइड जो होता है किसी भी डायोड का, जो पी साइड होता है, जब वो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से बैटरी का कनेक्ट हो, और एन साइड जो होता है, एक डायोड में दो साइड होते हैं, उसका जो टर्मिनल होता है एन साइड अगर निगेटिव टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट होता है बैटरी के, तो in on that situation you say that this one is forward bias. Okay, and in forward bias you also say that in the beginning there is no current flowing through the diode. Okay, this is because although there is an external electrical field applied across the diode, or the minority charge carriers will do not get sufficient, okay, the external field to cross the depletion region. I already told you about depletion region. Okay, so here the potential barrier is called forward potential barrier. Here is a basic diagram of forward bias in this slide. Okay, now come to the रिवर्स बायस. दैट व्हाट इज रिवर्स बायस? रिवर्स बायस फॉरवर्ड बायस के जस्ट अपोजिट होते हैं, ये आपको पता हो चल ही गया होगा ये जान के, क्योंकि रिवर्स बायस में जो एन साइड जो होता है डायोड का वो कनेक्ट होता है पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से, और जो उसका पी साइड होता है वो कनेक्ट होता है किससे? निगेटिव साइड ऑफ द बैटरी से. ओके, you may also say that in the same way that the free electrons in the n-type region would be shifted more away from the junction towards the positive terminal of the voltage source, leaving more uncovered positions. Like ions are also present in these two type of junctions, and two type of junction means junction तो एक ही होता है जिसको हम लोग pn junction बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो come to the next part. Here you see that if this diode, ये जो डायोड आपको दिख रहा है, this one, let me change the color. ये जो डायोड आपको दिख रहा है, this one, यहाँ देखिए आपको दिख रहा होगा. Okay, first condition it is in forward, and second one when is get off, then it is in reverse bias. Okay, here are some basic diagram. See, this one is reverse bias and this one is in forward bias. I already told you that positive terminal is connect to positive, then it is forward bias current, then it is the flowing of current is in this direction, and in reverse bias the direction is change. Here are some basic types of diode, that is types of diodes. Okay, first diode is Zener diode, second one is PN junction, then tunnel diode, varactor diode, Schottky diode, photodiode, pin diode, laser diode, Avalanche diode, and light emitting diode, that is also known as LED, जो हम लोग घर में भी यूज़ करते हैं, यूज़ में लेते ही हैं. And the basic uses of diodes is generally to protect electronics light in our homes, and remote control signals, send remote control signals, and it's also used in filter out the signals in radios, and so many uses are there. And if you want videos in this diode, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will definitely made and upload it. And if you don't subscribe yet, then please go and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and share with your friends too. Okay, we'll meet you soon in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching.